Welcome to my channel again. I know it's been a few months since my last post, but next to further recovering, I slowly kept busy. Our very hot and dry summer also caused some heat problems, especially with my computer, and plants needed extra care. I've been filming a lot and now editing the tapes. So here's a teaser of what I've been up to and what's coming up, going back in time and the future. I have a few unboxing videos coming up, and although my orchid collection was decimated to approximately 10%, I bought a few more, and since I can't live without any green in my house, I also started collecting Aroids and other tropical plants. And since this is my birthday weekend, first up will be two unboxings of new plants. One I ordered for myself and one some of my YouTube friends sent to me. And another one that's coming is one I forgot to post last year. But now, in a year's time, I can also give you an update on what was in it. I also still grow some bonsai, not too many anymore, but I'll share with you what's been going on with them, caring for them, shaping and cutting them back, repotting, everything I did over the last months. Of course, plants need to be repotted, so I'll take you on my journey with that, giving some tips, how and why I use certain media, but also things that have gone wrong. Growing tropicals in my soil mixes and inert media like leca, also showing and explaining how and when I water, what fertilizers do I use and why. Since the orchid room was mostly empty, I converted it to a tropical playroom for my macaw, housing orchids and other tropical plants, mostly aroids. Also showing you how I make some tasty, high nutritional, supplemental food for my red monkey, Siddhartha, my macaw. And like all children, parrots need to be kept busy. So instead of paying hundreds of euros on pre-made parrot toys, I started making them myself. This assures me that they are safe and that he can destroy them whenever he wants. And of course, orchids I had or came in new, how they are doing, and what blooms did I have last summer. I'll be doing care updates on all of my plants, including some new projects I started. As promised, I will be revisiting my over 1000k subscribers contest, and I'll promise you it'll be worth it to stay with me, and winners will be chosen no matter how long you have subscribed to my channel. I can only say thank you to all who stayed with me for all this time, and I can promise you, in the coming days I will release 2 new unboxing videos. And if you still like my channel and are not subscribed yet, please do so. Also, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. It's always greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you in my next upload.